Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have an unboxing, a double unboxing from Go Forth Goods, and I'm going to share it with you. However, I was hoping to share it outside because it's just so beautiful. The water is so placid and it's just beautiful out here. However, as I started to set up, a wind developed. Right now it's at its lowest, but it has been getting harder and harder. There it comes again. It's getting harder and harder, and it's very loud. So I'm going to have to take this video inside, and I just want to show you Izzy because she was waiting to be on camera today. So let me show you, and then we'll go inside and do the video. Come on, Izzy. Say hi to everybody. Is that a little burp? I think she did a little burp. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. I didn't see you for a long time. She's 13 and a half years old now, and she's doing so well, thankfully. Okay, guys, I'll see you inside. Hi, everybody. Welcome again to my channel. If you didn't see the first part of this video, it might be because I started it outside, but the wind was picking up, and I thought it would be much better to stop it where I was and start all over again inside because it's really windy here, and for some reason you could really hear the wind loud from the back. And I guess it's because I'm off the water that you could hear it so loudly. So I I explained, and I hope you got to see that part. I explained why I have to take the video inside. So here I am, and it's not as nice as outside just because today is a beautiful day, if not for that wind. But I do want to share with you two new bags, which I just purchased and just received today from Go Forth Goods. It's in this box, and I'm waiting to unbox it. I was waiting to unbox it with you. So let me just start right from the beginning. Hope everybody is doing well. And this is what I've been waiting for. Isn't that beautifully packed? This is how I like getting my bags. So I have two bags in here, and they're both covered, I guess. So I'll just grab one. I don't know which is which. Oh, this, now I know which one this is. Whoa, look at this. I have the information on this. I need to show it to you. Just look at this. This was a surprise. This is charcoal. Now, charcoal came in two different shades on the same piece of hide. So nobody knew if they were getting green or if they were getting charcoal color, grayish color. I think this is green. I don't know if it's green or gray. It might be, oops, I don't want to knock this over. Don't want to knock you guys down. It looks like it might be green and gray. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I chose it to have black handles, black leather handles, and this is black, this is leather. And this is the medium size of the Jane. It's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, wow. It's way, way, way nicer than I thought it was going to be. I actually didn't think that it was gonna work for me if it was too dark of one color or the other. But oh no, this is gorgeous. Beautiful. As I said, this is the full size. Let's open it up. The zip is always good right out of the box. Go Forth Goods has amazing YKK zippers. And I feel like I'm really far away from you because I have the box in front of me. But I will remove it as soon as I open the other one. It's gorgeous. Let me move it now so I can get closer to you. Okay, that's better. So you can see the color better. I think it's a combination of green and gray. What do you think? I really can't label it one or the other. All I know is this is absolutely, without a doubt, a keeper. This is not leaving my hands, that's for sure. I love it. Let's have to see how it is with a little shape to it, because it was, you know, it's a long ride from here to where Go Forth Goods is, which is in Georgia. Marietta, Georgia, to be exact. I wish they had a store here. I would be there every day. Let's see if there's I think there's supposed to be a crossbody strap. Let's see if it's in here. Maybe it's in the box. I don't see it in the box. Let's see if it's in here. This looks like, almost like wood. But it doesn't feel like wood, but I mean it looks like a tree if I was drawing a tree, or if I saw a picture of a tree. Most likely I'd be looking at a picture, not a drawing. Oh, here's the strap. And it's black. So you could wear it crossbody, or you could make this shorter. Can you make this shorter? Or you could adjust the size of it. It would be a crossbody. Look at the findings here. Really, my husband likes to use the expression skookum. It's an Indian word. And actually, that's my husband's nationality. And I'm learning a lot of words from him. Oh. Okay, but this is beautiful. I am really, really happy with this. So this is the regular size, or actually, yes, the regular size. This is the original size. There's different sizes now in the Jane. This is the original. See what I have in here? Okay. Okay. Winner, winner. That's what I am today. I should go to Vegas. This is the small Jane. And I love this size. I have one of them, and I expect more on the way. This will be my second. Let's open this. And here is the Jane's crossbody. And it is in the, I think it's in, I think it's mocha. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's mocha. Also, beautiful hardware, beautiful strap, so comfortable. This part over here diffuses the weight, and forget about experiencing any weight because you just don't. It's great. And this is the inside of the small. Oh, this is, by the way, this is Peanut. They call this Peanut, and this has a lot of texture and a lot of different color variations. And this looks like this is also, no, this is mocha. It's not black. Definitely looks like it's mocha. Also perfect. Perfect right out of the box. Zipper again. This is going to need just a bit of prompting. Couple couple of sweeps up and down, and it's going to be perfect. This is great size. I love this size on me. It's just perfect. I had my other one, which is my first one, and it is my favorite bag. I wear it mostly every single day. Whenever I have to go anywhere, I'm wearing that. Let's see how this looks on. It's a crossbody. Has a lot of adjustments. I am going to have to move mine up all the way up here, but for right now, I'll try it on this way. Because I like mine a little short. Wow, this looks like a good length. Actually, this looks like a perfect length. Cute. Really cute. Beautiful. I know that box is going to fall any minute now. This is what I got today. I can't pick one as the favorite because they're both, I love them both. They're both beautiful. I'll get a lot of use out of both of them. Now, maybe I could invent a new style, 2 bags at one time. That would be perfect for me. I love it. This is going to fall, like how to put it down. Well, I really hit the jackpot today. I'm very excited. I'm sorry I couldn't take this video outside for you, the whole video, but I'm glad I got to speak to you here and show you what I just received, and I'm very, very happy with it. And I bought this on sale. Let me read to you the information on here. And maybe I could tell you a little more about it. This Jane is the circle is 6 inches, and the length is 12 inches. So the size is 12 by 6 or 6 by 12. It is 7 ounces of full grain leather. It weighs 1 pound, 12 ounces empty. It is hand hemmed brass rivets. No, that can't be hemmed. That must be the wrong word. These are brass, just let me say brass rivets. I'll keep it at that. These are brass. They look great, don't they? The bag is not lined, as I showed you, and they're calling it a soft suede, but they spelled suede differently, so I don't know if that's the terminology or if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but it looked like it says suede. As I show you once again, it's soft in here, very soft, almost like a rug, but flat, very, very soft. What else does it say? It's this is 10 ounces of full grain leather, and the pocket inside is 7 by 4 inches. I'll show you the pocket on this wall. And it is pretty, it is deeper than I remember it. It goes up to my fingers here. So you could definitely put keys in here for sure. What else does it say? It is it has an adjustable strap, 44 by 48, and both bags have the same. Whoa! Both bags have the same size adjustable, removable strap. So that is the full size. And here is their insignia. And it's so pretty, so nicely done. So everyone, so you'll know, and everyone will know, this is a Go Forth Goods bag, the top quality in leather that you could get, the nicest leather you could get, in my opinion, absolutely. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here. You know that. I would be where they were selling the top and best quality leather. And that's why I'm here with Go Forth Goods, because that's what I truly believe and truly know from my experience, which is over 4 years already with this company. And let me tell you the statistics on this cutie. This is a small Jane Crossbody. It weighs 1 pound. So when I eat extra popcorn, I'll be adding the contents of this bag. 1 pound on me. Not so bad, right? It's definitely doable if it's in a bag anyway. It has also 7 ounces of full grain leather and YKK zippers. And these bags are water repellent. What is that? Is it water resistant, not repellent, water resistant. They're leather. Just like you wear your leather coat, you get caught in the rain. This is it. Only this quality is superior to any coat I have ever had, any leather coat I have ever had, because every leather coat that I had was very thin. This is the full grain. This is the outside of the animal, and when I open this zipper, you see the inside, behind the leather of the animal. So it's full grain. So I'm very happy. I really am. I am sorry we couldn't take it outside on such a gorgeous day, but maybe we'll have another nice day before winter comes. We get winter, I guess, a little earlier because the kids go to school earlier here, and mid-August, the summer is over for us, especially here on the water. So just, I'm sorry you couldn't be outside this time. Maybe next time, if possible. Well, it was great speaking with you guys, and I'm so glad I got to share this with you. I'm really excited to have it. And thank you. I didn't see a card. Usually they put a card in here. Maybe it's here. Oh, it is here. Bill created these bags for me. And I like Bill. I want to stick with Bill. I love him. He's awesome. I'm like everything, not that everybody's good. I shouldn't say that. But so far, 2 out of 2 is perfect. So thank you, Bill. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm very, very happy with it. And anybody you get, because I've had them all, and I think I must have had them all, and there is every single bag that I have, I love from Go Forth Goods. When I sold the bag, it was only because it was too big for me, because I'm shrinking. But now I'm getting the sizes that are perfect for me, and I'm really, really grateful that I found this company, because I love their bags and they make me happy. And they're very attractive to people that I see, because people say, "Oh, where did you get that?" Because this isn't something that they're going to see in Macy's. This is something that's made specifically for me. And nobody else has this bag. Nobody. And when you buy a bag, your bag will be only for you, and nobody will have your bag. That's a really cool feeling, a really special feeling. Well, I'm so happy to be with you guys, and take good care, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I am so happy to be here with you today. Take good care, everybody. Bye now. See you next time.